The KUPER SWT XS, the compact all-rounder in solid wood processing. The KUPER SWT XS is the ideal partner for the processing of different solid woods. KUPER typical are the high operating convenience, the comfortable and safe handling, and the excellent noise insulation. Compact, powerful, and high quality. Genuine KUPER power of the latest generation. Even large cross-sections can be processed easily and reliably. The particularly powerful feeding guarantees exact positioning and a consistently high manufacturing standard. The clearly arranged KUPER K2 controller, including Siemens touch panel, minimizes staff training times. Simple and safe with intuitive user guidance. KUPER innovative. Do you want to change the dimensions for the machining of your workpiece quickly and simply? No problem with the KUPER SWT XS. The feeding speed can also be adapted conveniently and precisely to suit the respective task. The large displays of the electronic spindle adjustments provide for exemplar operating convenience. The extremely reliable and sturdy economical IE3 spindle motors are available in different performance classes. The ProLock quick clamping system reduces setup times and impresses with high durability and maximum clamping dimensions. The axes of the machining spindles are optionally automatically controlled or manually adjustable, just as required. KUPER flexible. All dimensions can be adjusted quickly and simply via the touch panel. The visualization in the manufacturing direction and large buttons make a considerable contribution to operating convenience and process reliability. The ergonomically optimal table height, as well as the particularly high quality of the surfaces, guarantee an excellent workflow and optimal machining times over a long period of use. The SWT XS provides optimal operating convenience. It is particularly easy to access for maintenance and service, and thus guarantees absolute practicability. The high-quality components installed guarantee top quality and durability. The KUPER SWT XS is the ideal compact solution for the processing of solid woods in handicrafts and industry. Sturdy and particularly user-friendly in top-class KUPER quality. Of course, our flexible, competent, and friendly KUPER service is here for you at all times, even after purchasing. The KUPER SWT XS, compact solid wood processing for professionals.